Say it louder, say it louder. Oh, feel the moment, feel the power. Oh, bring the animal back to life. Oh, bring the energy one more time. Oh.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, we will be talking about sticker storage, Oculant and sticker storage. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. If you have not done so yet, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please hit the button to subscribe. It is free of charge to you guys, and you guys show support for me by subscribing and liking these videos. Anyway, so today we will be doing a sticker storage solution option that I've been using for a number of years now. These binders are old. This one I know I got from Dollar Tree years ago. And then this one I got from Staples years ago as well. I have seen them on Amazon, so you guys could look on mini binders on Amazon and find them there. So yeah, most of these stickers will be Dollar Tree stickers and Oculants and whatever. There's a few from other places, but 99% of these will be from Dollar Tree. All right, so let's go through the first one. So this is my first one, and like I said, most of these are Dollar Tree stickers that you'll see in here. This is the Lisa Frank one that I found at Dollar Tree. It was like 2 years ago, and I saw them there recently as well. And then we have all these 80s Vibe stickers. So these loose ones that I haven't already put in, I'll just store it in the little sleeve until. A lot of people sleep on Dollar Tree craft supplies, but I never do. I've been collecting Dollar Tree craft supplies for years. So most of these will not be recent. I have so many when they were still at fries. I was able to buy so many when they were still $1. So I'm not sure. I know I've seen some of them again repeated there, and a lot we will not be able to find again, like I said, because I've had them for years. This one I'm gonna use in my birthday. This is April, my birthday month. My birthday is the 22nd, so I definitely will be using this one in one of my spreads for my junk journal. If this is your first time here on this channel and you do not know, if you look on my channel, you realize that I am an avid junk journaler. So most of my posts, especially my short videos, are about junk journaling. But yeah, so these are some Dollar Tree stickers that I've sat on for years, and now that I've started junk journaling consistently since last year, I will definitely using up most of these. I have gone through quite a few since I started back in I started back in May last year, but I actually have consistently been doing it since about, I think, October of last year. Let me go through a few of these sleeves because I know there will be someone that will say, oh, you didn't even show us the stickers. So let me go through and show you guys some of the stickers. Aren't these ones so pretty? I think I used that in a fall spread the other day. Aren't some of these so pretty? Let me get a little bit closer for you guys to see them. And this one. These are just plain. Sometimes I even forget what I buy because these are tags. These are tags. These are easy to add to a spread. Sometimes I forget what's in these binders because I have so many things in so many different things. So cool. This was not smart of me not to buy two of these. That's why sometimes I always buy double, and it's always good to buy double because you like, what am I gonna make with just this? What if I have a word that's a double letter word? How will I be able to create that word with just single? This is why I'm always buying double of everything, especially when it's something that I know will be repeated. And then these I found 2 years ago when they were popular. As you can see, I have two of these ones, two of those, two of those, two, of them. This one I have a single one. I'm sure the other one is somewhere. I'm sure there's another one somewhere else. And then we have the florals. I love the florals. What I do sometimes is I'll use them as is. You know, a lot of them come with that on the back, which Dollar Tree also sells separately. This little raisin thing, but sometimes I'll remove that so I can lay the florals flat, especially when they're flat, especially when they have like double layers like this, and you want it to lay a little bit flatter in your spread, and you don't want it to bulk up, because these things will definitely fill up your junk journal faster. And this is another set of florals. So what I'll do is flip them. This one I want to get in behind. There we go. And then we come to the back, and back here I have like multiple layers that needs to go in. These are all, you can see this is the same two actually right here. That's the same two. Then I had a bunch of, these are also from Dollar Tree. This one's basically almost finished. I've used up most of this one. And then sometimes I'll save these. I haven't yet used them, but I do have an idea of how I'm going to use this one. So yeah, that's why it's back here still. Most times I toss them, but sometimes I do save them. And then that's this binder. This was the first one, like I said, that I've had. I had for years. I think I was using it when I was couponing, and then I just turned it into a sticker holder. These inserts I got from Amazon as well. Just look for mini binder inserts, and you'll get those. See this one? So this one's the first one. This was the second one when I started to run out of space. And I had gotten this from my daughter years ago, but she wasn't using it, so and I got it back from her, and I ordered more inserts and decided to use it for this. Now this one's going to be a little bit more difficult to go through because this one has more. I need to move some over into the other one, but it's the same thing here. This I need to switch into my Valentine box. Obviously I forgot I have this, so I didn't use it. Some numbers and some other stickers. Here we have some butterflies, some florals, some letters, words on that one. And then this one's supposed to be for the Father's Day thing for my husband. Then this one, letters, a summer post. These are chalk writable ones. I have a whole bunch of those. This one's going to be back to school. And you'll see multiple florals again. I've used plenty of these in little ACC cards and stuff like that. I actually used this one to make a thing for my Kindle. One of these to make a thing for my Kindle a while back. As you can see, multiple of the same. Oh, this is empty. I can move something here. And then see multiple. And then this is for in my travel. I'll be traveling this month, so maybe I'll use this in my spread. Need to use that in a spread. Another travel one. I could actually make this, use this in a spread. I could actually make a UK spread with that one. Same thing, travel, florals. I got this when my friend got married. I never got around to making the post. Oops. More summer vibes. The repeat of one of the other ones. All these butterflies from Dollar Tree. These fall foliage, Dollar Tree. Oh, I forgot I had that. See, this is why I've started to create like separate storage areas for certain holidays and keep them together. Because look, forgot I had that. And then of course some for 4th of July. This one's for like a movie themed situation. Another repeat. I've used some of this one for grads. I've had multiple grads, still haven't used it. Oh wow, I have 4 of these. That's crazy. I need to use those. Okay, more letters, more foliage, more letters. Another travel one, a road trip. Done already plenty of road trips. Another birthday one. More foliage. This is two of the same. I need to combine these with the other ones that are the same. More floral. Florals. This is pretty. I like this. Another one of the one I already have. These ones I don't think I've used them yet. I need to. You can see this. I think those are in the other binder too. See? I love sunflowers, so obviously I need to figure out how to use those. Another one of that, and empty sleeves. So I need to put these in the sleeve. Let's show you what I have back here that needs to go in the sleeve. So we have this lace doily one, more of that one, more of those papers, some hearts and stuff that I need to go in my Valentine thing, some rub-ons, more rub-on transfers, rub-ons. This was from, I think it was a place called Tuesday Mornings. That's no longer open. I don't know if it's open anywhere else in the country, but I know it's not open on my side of the country. And then look at these little robots. Aren't they cute? Sometimes I don't even have to have an idea or plan what I'm going to do with these. I just like the colors. I like the stickers, and I just pick them up. So I like these Aculons, and I know if you know the Aculons mean that it just sits out a little bit more. The sticker lays flat, the Aculons will have some type of dimension, a 3D effect to them. So yeah, so these are my two storage binders. I did buy a black thing. It was in my thrift haul from a while ago. I did buy a bigger black binder that I think I might move all of this to and reorganize them. I'm not too sure though. Don't quote me on that one because I'm not too sure. But okay, guys, so those are my binders. I had to take a call, so we're not on our stand anymore. But anyways, these are the two binders that I stored everything in. I do have another binder here that I plan to, I think I might move everything to this binder, but I think I might move everything, but I thrifted it and I still need to clean it up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.